Adding gems and notebooks to Google Classroom.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. Today we've got something for our grade 7 and 8 teachers who may be creating gems and notebooks, and I wanted to showcase how you can actually attach those into your Google Classroom. Again, just for grade 7 and 8 teachers, so if you're not, no worries, but this is for them. So how do you do it? Well, you go into your Google Classroom and you just go to classwork. And what you're going to do is you're going to be creating an assignment. You can also go down and just create notebook or gem right there. But if you create an assignment, you could create multiple gems or notebooks and put them together. So let's just see how that works. So I'm going to create an assignment and it's going to be called a notebook and gem. And what you can do is you can click on notebook and you can go in and you can create a brand new one, or you can select one that you've already built. So I've got a really good notebook on photosynthesis that is going to be key for teaching grade 7 or 8, and I'm going to attach it to this assignment. It shows it to you so that you can see exactly what the students are going to see. Remember, in Notebook, if it's shared with them as viewers, they can just interact with the content. They can't create their own content. So that's great for me. It's in there. I love that. It's going to be highlighted at the top of the class so that they can always go back to it. If that's not necessary, if we're just doing a one-off science lesson, you just uncheck that. It works almost the same for Gem. You click on Gem, you can create a new one, or you can select an existing one. Now, maybe I really wanted to do that figurative language jump off, or focusing on figurative language, and I want them to do that at the same time as they're doing their other piece. So great, that's what it looks like. That's lovely. That one I'm going to highlight at the top of the class. You can choose which students get it, choose when it's due, add your topic, and post it to your class.
Wow, that's a lot of learning.
From the teacher perspective, this is what it looks like. Students can see it, and they can actually click on it and participate and interact with that gem as it is. Because it's an assignment, I gave it points. You can play with that to make sure it works exactly for you. And that's how you attach a gem or a notebook to Google Classroom. Grade 7 and 8. Remember, permission form for all students, grade 7 and up, if they're interacting with AI. Take care.